Imagine you can travel in real time to other countries without stepping out of your home. Walk along the Rio de Janeiro with a video guide. Visit the places you would never see as a simple tourist. Interact with the environment. Go shopping in Tokyo and send yourself a postcard from your favorite bookstore in Barcelona. Record a video of your walks around London and show it to your friends at home. Or just visit an old friend in Paris. Or maybe you want to become a video scout in your own city, being a superstar at video tours, rating routes, and making impressive earnings. We want to open such opportunities for you. Avatrip is a remote interactive video travel and guiding system with software platform bringing together users and video scouts. How does it work? You join our website from your PC or game console. Choose a travel theme: sightseeing, shopping, historical excursion. Choose the country and city you would like to visit. Select an available video scout for its rating or location on the map, or press the random button and go on a journey in a second. You find yourself in a selected city. You can see in HD all that captures the video scout's camera. You hear the sounds around him. You can control the video scout by simply clicking on any visible object on the screen and selecting the action: to come, to open, to take pictures, etc. You can ask the video scout to do something or talk to a passerby through the speaker. From this moment on, there are no such obstacles as distance for you. You can explore the town itself, walking through Moscow in search of the Kremlin. Or walk on the rated thematic route prepared by a video scout. Visit the Triad area in Beijing with a guy who's from there. A shopping street in Milan with a professional image guide who will select the dress of the season. Historical places in Berlin with a history teacher. Opportunities are endless. Tourism, an inexpensive overlook of different countries. The study of geography, history of the countries, etc. Shopping, buy the latest collection and send it to yourself. Business, to attend a seminar or a conference without waiting when the video appears. Entertainment, play at a casino. Preparation of journey, and see how in reality the hotel where you're planning on staying really looks. Execution of orders, post a parcel, pay a bill. Quest games, meeting with friends or relatives in another city, independent of whether they turn the Skype on or not. Some features are unique. For example, an independent study of the world for people with disabilities. These features are forming a new dimension for the commercialization of existing markets. Video tours, educational programs, shopping tours, remote services and maintenance, targeted advertising in augmented reality, amusement machine and showstoppers. Our system connects users and scouts, giving both a software and hardware platform for the implementation of interactive remote video travels. Using our software, consumers can perform astonishing remote video travels in different cities and places, with low resolution for iPhone or in high definition. Scouts in each city forming their own travel routes, sharing them in our system. Ratings that make the best scouts as famous as the stars on television. Avatrip, we create the future of video entertainment.